In this video, you'll learn how to add a WhatsApp button on your WordPress website. By following these steps, you will be able to enhance your website's communication options for visitors. Begin by navigating to your WordPress dashboard, open your web browser and enter the URL for your WordPress site. Once you're on the login page, enter your credentials and click on the login button to access the dashboard. This is the central hub for managing your website content. Next, locate the option labeled New with the top of the dashboard. Click on New and then select Post from the drop-down menu. After this selection, you will see a new post editor screen open. This interface allows you to create and edit posts. Once the post editor is visible, look for the plus icon, typically located in the center of the editor. Click on this icon to reveal a variety of content blocks. From this menu, you will need to choose social icons. This block enables you to add social media links, including WhatsApp. After selecting the social icons block, you will see a search bar appear within the block options. Type WhatsApp into this search bar to find the relevant icon. This action narrows down the options and allows you to quickly locate the WhatsApp button. Once the WhatsApp icon appears in the search results, click on it to add it to your post. You will see the icon inserted into the post editor. This visual confirmation indicates that the WhatsApp button is now part of your content. Before finalizing your changes, ensure that your website has sufficient storage available for the new content. Large files or numerous plugins can impact your website's performance. Once you are ready, click the Publish button to make your changes live, allowing visitors to contact you via WhatsApp directly from your site. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.